Hi guys, and welcome to Access Tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to import raw data. I'm going to start by first of all clicking on new on the blank data here, and let's give our project a name. I'm just going to call it doctor, let's say doctor's appointments. I'll put an S there as well. Okay, I'm going to click on create. There we go. Now the development environment is opened, and you see this very table. I'm just going to close that because I don't need that. The raw data that I need, let me show you guys the raw data. And right here guys, these are the raw data. So double click on that. That is for patient 2, patient number 1. We have the doctor's details, and right here we have appointment details as well. There. Okay, so I'm going to close that. Okay, back in the development environment, I'm going to click on external data right here. This menu that says external data. If you're at home, just click on it, and right here, that's what you will see. New data source. Drop down the new data source and highlight from file. And from file that we want is a text file. That's it right there. Click on that text file. Let's browse to wherever you have your data. There we go. I have mine download. I have appointment. Click on appointment. Click on open. Then click on. And make sure you select the delimited, because that has commas in them, as you guys saw on the raw data. So I'm going to click on next. And here, because I want this role up here to be the title role, so I'm going to check that, and let's click on next. Now here, just click on next, accept that is fine. And here I already have primary keys in there that I can always use. The system officially allocated one for me, but I don't want that. I'm going to choose my own primary key. Okay, then click on that. You can always change it if you want, but that is the primary key. There, now click on next. And I'm just going to leave the name as appointment. Click on finish. And there we go. If you double click on that, there we go. Those are the details of the appointment. Okay. You can even right click to view the design view. There. I'm going to close that. Then select the external data again. And here you should be able to see new data. Click on the new data. Go to file. And let's select text. Then here we browse straight to where our data is. The next one that I want now, let's see. There we go. That's it right there. Doctors. And then click on OK. There we go. Make sure it's delimited. Click on next. And I'm going to select first role to be my title role. Click on next. Next. And here, because I have primary key for the doctor, so I'm going to choose my own primary key and just click on next. The default name is fine, so I'm going to leave it as doctor. Click on finish. There. So the second table is on the system. So now let's import the other two, and those are the patient details. So I'm going to go for patient number 1. Click on that. Delimited, that's fine. First row contains name, yes, and that is fine. Come in here, choose this as my primary key, and that's it for patient number 1. Close. Back in here, repeat exactly the same process. Let's grab hold of the patient number 2. There we go. Delimited, that is fine. Make sure that is checked. And now first row to contain the field name, and that is fine. Click on next, and here let's choose primary key. There. There we go. And that's it, all done. If you double click on them, you see the patient's information. That's for patients number 2, patient number 1, doctor's details, appointment. Okay guys, so I'm going to call it the end of this brief tutorial of how to import raw data. So with that guys, I'll call it the end of this tutorial, and thanks for watching. And you will see the link to the raw data on the description area. Bye for now.